Assalamualaikum. Currently, I'm standing on the road and look, a child or a young boy has climbed on the tree and picking some fruit. So, I don't know what fruit it is, so I'd like to take it. Throw. So, look. This is a small fruit. Inside it is a small and it looks like a Java plum. Look, it looks like a Java plum. So I don't know the exact name of this fruit, but I can say it mini Java plum because it looks like a Java plum. And yeah, when I was a younger boy, I also used to eat this fruit, and it is sweet. Light sweet it is, and has a seed, green seed. So he is picking this fruit from the tree,